Hello my friends, I'm again here with another brand new video as I do every times. Today I'm going to play some live trades with the help of pure candlestick analysis. Pure candlestick psychology is only the way to predict next candle perfectly. I can guarantee you that no one will share such hidden tips as I do because I want to spread my knowledge that I gather over the 12 years of practical analysis and trading. As you know that I do not use any indicator because the indicator is confused instead. To make you understand the pure candlestick psychology perfectly, I have uploaded more than 250 different type of videos with proper analysis along with live trading. If you have any problem for summarize them, you don't need to worry because I made 3 different type of training course for you. The complete course of educational videos, the expert version of learning course, the sheer sort of training course. I'm not telling you to learn from me unless you feel. If you want to learn quickly and efficiently or you are struggling with daily trading, then you can choose any of the learning course based on your trading level. Don't think too much about the small fees. Believe me, it's nothing compared with even on-day trading result. There will get recorded lesson for lifetime use. I also provide real-time support for 24/7 when needed. You can contact me on Telegram if you are really interested. The contact details given in the video description below. But before that, think yourself, is this really needed or not? If you are new to the channel, don't feel shy or hesitate to subscribe because you have the option to unsubscribe me anytime you want. So no tension at all. But if you respect others, then it will bounce back to you. You know, making video is not so easy task. I need to record, edit and a lot of things behind this. Why I am doing this? Because I want to help people around the globe. As I am doing something for you, definitely nothing is wrong if I ask some feedback from you. So please let me write in the comment section below how I am doing. And of course you are free to ask me if you need any help from me. Anyways, let's begin with the main topic. So especially while we trade on OTC, we need to take care little extra because the OTC is projected price. Okay, I'm going to place here higher option and let me tell you the reason. OTC is projected price, the market moving by the broker. So before place our trade, we need to observe few candles movement and the market structure. All of we know that the OTC market for every week is not working same. Sometimes it good for reverse traders or sometimes it's good for trend continuation traders. So we need to identify first, then it's better to place trade. And when place any trade, do not hurry because if you hurry then your losing percentage will increase. Okay, let me draw some level and tell you the reason why I have placed here higher option. Because we know this is the continuation candle and the seller's entry from this level. So after that normally we can expect buyer's entry, but I didn't enter with buyers because this is also same candle. There is gap, so after that we can expect buyer's entry, but instead of buyers we have seller's entry. So this is almost same candle, though rejection from same area. There is little new high, but as we have recently that this candle didn't work well, so it's not good to trade on this candle. Now after this strong candle, you can see from left side, this is little small candle and there is gap, so we have another seller's entry. But from here we have buyer's entry. This is a strong buyer's entry. There is gap down, and this is significant level because you can see this is rejection by the buyers and this is rejection by the sellers from same point. So this is exactly the point, and from here we have buyer's entry. This is Marubozu candle, very strong candle, close at the levels, and previous candle has buyer's entry. Therefore I just placed here higher option. So you have to think each and everything clearly, then your winning percentage will be increased. And remember one thing, if you place 10 trades in a day, and if you can minimize your, let's say now your winning percentage is 60%. From there, if you can minimize your true loss, then your winning percentage will be 80 plus. So think of it. Okay, this is not good candle to trade. See, if you are trend following traders, still you should not place any trade after a strong candle, because after a strong candle there most of the time you can expect reverse candle. See, this is strong candle, there we have reverse candle. Okay, so it's not good to go with the buyers after a strong candle, or it's not good to go with sellers too, because we don't know what will happen. So we need to skip this trade. Okay, now this is a level we can see, and try to do not place lot of trade on OTC. Okay, after that we supposed to enter buyers here, small buyers, but instead of buyers we can see sellers. But after these sellers we can't expect another sellers. Maybe there 60% there will buyers enter, because new high and sellers from here, candle close at the level. This is also a good level. This is also very good level, because we can see from here strong buyers entry. So rather than sellers we can go with buyers if we have good price. But as we can see recently market movement something like this. Let me draw the level. The market is moving like this. Okay, there is new high compared with this, but the market touched this level, and this is kind of double bottom pattern. So from here maybe market will take a U-turn, or maybe it will continue. So I need to wait, but it's good if the candle close exactly at this level, exactly this level, then we can go with buyers, because there is new high. Now there is no confidence, but I think market is going down. Let me find some good pair. Okay, I think I can go with sellers. Okay, I have placed here lower option, though there I didn't analyze a lot. This is the level. See, before place the trade I didn't check the level, but this is the level. Why I placed here lower option without checking this level. Though the market is an uptrend, but uptrend does not mean that market will continue forever. It will reverse from any of the point, and this is the good price action level. Let me draw here. If you check this area, you don't need to check the level from left side. I have explained everything very clearly on my all educational course. So see, it was a level, very strong level. This rejection and this sellers confirm this is very strong level. Also after this candle, definitely this is very strong level, because this is single candle breakout, and this is retrace candle. So from here we can see strong buyers entry. Again sellers tried with new low, though the candle closed with kind of strong green candle, I would say, because there is no upper side rejection. So like the candle movement was something like this, sellers entry, then sudden buyers entry. Now tell me, it was a level, this is breakout from lower side. Now when sudden sellers entry, sudden buyers entry up to this level, then buyers will not enter after this point. After this point mostly sellers will enter. Therefore I just placed here lower option by watching this candle only. Let me draw again by watching this 4 candle only. I didn't check the left side. So it's a winning trade too. If you analyze the market carefully, then definitely you will get good result. This is not good, I think, but I can draw a level here. No, market is going down all the way, so it's not safe zone for place or trade. And this is the extreme level. Okay, this is extreme level and round numbers too. So I think we can go with buyers, but I don't have enough confidence. Most of the time, like 70 to 80% time, there we can expect buyer's entry, but I don't have strong confidence because the market is going down every time. But from here we have double bottom, now triple bottom. So I missed this trade because I saw very strong candle. So I didn't place trade. I thought maybe the market will break. No need to worry if you miss some trade, but definitely I will place trade if this candle move up to this level. Then if I have some buyer's entry, then I would place here higher option in this candle too. Now after that, maybe we can expect, yes, definitely we can expect seller's entry, but I will not place trade. See, let me tell you the reason why I am expecting sellers, but I am not placing here lower option. See, this is triple bottom pattern now. So due to this triple bottom pattern, the market will go up. But when you see any strong candle and after that there is gap up. So there are some buyers. After a strong candle, there are some buyers and this is the buyers. So now the buyers will not interested that much. Also this is a seller's level. So from here, most of the time, like 70 to 80% time, we can expect uh, seller's entry. But this is exceptional case because this is triple bottom pattern. Okay, you can see seller's entry. So this is how the pure candlestick psychology work. See, I have missed this trade. I have missed this trade too. But nothing to be worried because I will have a lot of chance. Okay. Now the market is going down. As this is OTC, otherwise we can go with buyers here. After closing this, let me watch this candle, then I'll decide. And don't think too much if you face any loss. Loss is common, everyone is facing some loss, but the thing is how you handle the loss. If you lost your emotion, then you will lost everything. Okay, so there is no chance now because due to the sellers, the candle can come up to this level, and due to this buyer's rejection, the candle can form as a green candle. So you don't need to use any indicator. You will understand everything by watching this candle when you know the pure candlestick analysis. So I have to wait to close this candle. Okay. There is no level on, okay. There is level. So let me check. Yeah, this is good level to trade, but I think this is more perfect. Now there is no buyer's activities. No, after this candle I can go with buyers. Not this candle because this candle mostly will be a red candle. It can be small, but most of the time the candle will be a red candle. And normally I do not place lot of trade on OTC. Just on once I log in, I just place few trade like 3 to 5. When I don't have enough confidence, then I just stop trading. Okay, so okay, finally, yeah, red candle. So this is what's supposed to be, but no, not this. This is not a reversal candle. I was thinking I would place here higher option, but no, not now after this candle. But I would place here higher option if the candle something like this kind of candle, or maybe this kind of candle. But this is kind of continuation candle. So you need to know what is continuation candle and what is reversal candle. Then you can minimize your loss. See, sometimes I have seen that lot of traders will consider this is reversal candle, the candle form at the level, so after that definitely buyers will enter. But this is wrong concept. See, I have explained about this candle, and yeah, this candle very clearly, because I just told you that buyers will enter and their sellers will enter. See, this is how the candlestick psychology work. Okay, now definitely this candle is going to be green, but now this is not good time to place trade. If it comes down, then I may place here higher option, but I need some marginal safety, otherwise I will not place because it's risky. It can be like this candle, like small candle, but most of the time it will be green. So my today concept was not only show you the trade, I just try to explain very deeply about the candlestick psychology on the live market. That is the reason that today video is. Okay, so I missed this trade too. So the analyze going good, but I'm not able to place trade. I was looking for some marginal safety in this trade because sometime due to these sellers, there we can expect something like this candle. It can be green or red. It should be, but most of the time it's supposed to be green, as I told you. So okay, I missed this trade. So today I'm missing more trade, but I'm not worried about it because nothing is wrong if I miss some trade or if I wait for some times. You need to check the running candle very carefully. You need to check the market movement. Then you can decide easily. This is kind of after that there we can expect sellers, but the left side there is no clear level. Yes, but let me draw this. This is the level. So I think sellers will enter definitely. Yes, sellers will enter after this. Okay, so finally sellers entry. No, the market is going down. It's a level, strong level, I think. Yes, it's a strong level which is respected by this market. Okay, see how the OTC market is. It's supposed to be sellers. Sellers enter, but at the end there is buyer. But after this candle, definitely there should be sellers. But the thing is, the candle opened with gap down. So when there is gap up or gap down, then we don't have any confident. If the candle opened here, then definitely we can expect sellers entry up to this level. Then we can go with buyers. Okay, so the video is going to little longer, but I was not able to place trade. So I'll try to place on trade here if I have good chance, because I was trying to explain more than I place trade. I want you to learn properly. That is my concept here. Okay, here it's a level. This is a level. This is not a level, though sellers enter from here, but this is not a level. Yeah, this is perfect level. So up to this level we can expect buyer's entry. When market reaches to this level, immediately we should not expect seller's entry, because this is not good level to trade. You have to understand by watching the running candle. And okay, this is huge rejection by the sellers. What is going to happen here? Okay, so no, now there is no confidence, but if the candle close here, then definitely I would place here higher option after this candle. But now there is no confidence, though maybe buyers will enter because the candle got reject from this level. This is good level. There is no now good candle to trade. Okay, see, there is gap, so buyers entering. Though this is level, now it's breakout, but now it's not good to place lower option because this is now quite a strong momentum. Okay, so okay, I am going to miss this trade too. I think I'm going to miss this trade too. I was not ready to place trade here, but at least it should come to 0 point. I mean opening price. Then I supposed to place here higher option. So when you know the analyze properly, you will have a lot of chance. Okay, let me open other pair, Euro USD. This is not good, so exchange it. Euro USD. Let's see. No, this is also not good. UD card. There is gap up. Market is going down. So anytime the market will reverse, but as the market is going down, so it's better to place only lower option. Okay, see, still there is some buyers. There is gap up, so there will be sellers. Okay, but this is not reversal candle. No, after this, mostly sellers will enter. Let's see the level. See, sometimes we can predict, but it's not good to place trade on every candle. See, sellers are entering as I told you. and most of the time that sellers will continue the market after this candle. See sellers, strong sellers now. Okay, now let's see what happened here. If I have chance, I'll place on trade as the video is going little long. Okay, there is, see, there is gap up, so it's not good. I'll not place trade. So this is how you need to control your emotion. You have chance, it does not mean that you have to place trade. You have to wait for perfect moment. Does not matter if you can't find any trade for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but still you're saving your money. You have to remember this. Okay, it was not reversal candle, but market is reversing because this is OTC market, so no one can predict 100%. So after this, I was thinking to go with buyers, but there was gap up, so I didn't place trade. Okay, so no, it's not good. Rather than I will wait for this candle, then I will place trade here, last trade. Is there any level? No, there is no level for this week. Sellers pressure in this candle. At the end, seller's entry, I think, yes. Okay, I'll go with buyers if there is small marginal safety. Shit. Why I was looking for marginal safety? Because sometimes this candle can be closed as a doji candle. So most of the trade I'm missing today. You can see very strong buyers. So this is slack actually. I was not able to place my trade here. Level. Again, see, again gap down. So this pair is not good for trade, I think. Better to close now. And I think we can go with buyers in this after this candle. If the candle closes as a red candle up to this level, then I will place here higher option. Why I am deciding to place higher option, even this is seller's entry level, because after this candle we have very strong sellers entry, but after this candle, same type of candle, there is no strong sellers. Okay, now the level is breaking lower side. Okay, so I think I'm going to have an opportunity here. No, there is no opportunity. This is the level, so we need to wait. Okay, see the market movement. So now market movement is not well. See, strong sellers, at the end there is buyer. So now I think it's not good to place or trade, rather than better to stop. I had some chance but I didn't use. Every time sellers in trading, so no, I'll not place. No, this is not clear level, so how I can decide to place trade here? Okay, let me take a risk here, $50. I'm going with sellers. This risking trade because I can't believe that there will be red or green, but I need to stop trading because already almost 30 minutes over, so I need to stop now. Therefore I just reduce my amount and try to place trade following the trend. There is new low and a strong candle. Okay, see, so it's not working the analyze properly. Let's see if I win. This is good luck. Okay, so it's luck that I have won because of my entry point only. And as the video is too long already, so I would like to stop trading for this session. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back with another great lesson. Till then, take care. Thanks.